Alright everybody, my name is Jeremy Lloyd and we're looking at the alpha build of Phone Assist. So on this alpha build we completed the icon dictionary, the Tech2English, as well as 3 sections from Set Up My Phone and 2 sections from Fix My Phone. As well, we also put in the Google in-app services as well as the unlock feature. I have not had a chance to put in the Google in-app services. I'm actually starting that right now. I'm reading over some of the documentation. That is the only feature of the application that is not fully functional. The unlock feature, it has a pop-up that mimics what the Google in-app play services is going to show you, so that way we can get an idea of how the unlock is going to work. The icons are not grayed out for the unlock. At the moment, it will be grayed out for when the Google in-app services come into play, which will be done by beta. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first one here is Set Up My Phone. So once we go ahead and hit Set Up My Phone, we have the 3 completed sections, which is Get New Apps, Google Account, and Email. And when you go through here, it'll just show you all the steps because this is just a setup. The Google account here, you can see here, you just go through and it'll tell you exactly how to add it in there. This is for the existing. On the email, it does have a couple other, it has some probing questions on there to figure out what type of email that you want to enter in. So if you want to enter in a Google, personal, or a Microsoft Exchange, you can see here and it'll go ahead and provide you with all the steps. And if we go into the icon dictionary here, you can see all the data has been entered. And if we go to right now an unlock feature, which will be the full battery, you can see the full battery does pop up. It does show you exactly the information that you're looking for. And if you click on a lock feature, for right now airplane mode and some other ones are locked, the first 2 are unlocked. So if you click on airplane mode, it'll ask you if you want to go ahead and buy it, charge your MasterCard. This is actually just mimicking what the Google in-app services is supposed to do, but there's a testing platform with that involved that will be implemented as well for the beta version. Once you hit buy, it does allow you to enter into a different type of data, which will have all the information that you're looking for in there. And you can see here, there's still some minor bugs on there that need to be worked out. This is, of course, the alpha build. So let's go ahead and look at the Tech2English. The same thing happens with the Tech2English. If you click on one that is locked, it will ask you to unlock it, and then you can go ahead and read all the information. The next one would be the Fix My Phone. So this has 2 items inside of it, and the probing questions, the mechanics for it, were also implemented. So we can check it out here. So it'll ask you it'll ask you some probing questions, and depending on your answers, it'll continue from there. So you can go ahead and hit yes. No, it doesn't see any other networks. Let's make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Have you done this? Yes. So we can continue. And it goes further and further on from here. Depending on your answers, depends on which road you're going to go down. The same is for sounds. Does it make any sounds at all or make some sounds? So then you go ahead and try to narrow it down from there. And you can choose one that isn't working, and you can go see how to fix it or how to test it more thoroughly. And that right there completes the features that were implemented in alpha, the alpha build. As mentioned, all features except for the Google in-app services were applied. The unlock setup is all set up. It's basically going to run off 2 different JSON datas. And everything else has been implemented. And with the beta version, everything should be just about done and ready to be going for testing.